How do we find the area of AGH, the blue highlighted triangle? They told us that the area of the shaded parts is 36. Now, if you observe the other triangle here, the pink triangle has the exact same base and height as the blue triangle, which means to say they both have the same area. Guess what else? They also have the same overlapping region in the middle here. So if you take away the overlapping region, what do you notice? This area and this area will be the same. And since they told us that it's 36, then you divide that by 2, you will know that this is 18 and this is 18 as well. They also said that EF is 2/5 of BC. Now, since I do not know what the length of BC is, let's call it S. Okay, since it's a square, then all the sides have a value of S. So if they say that EF is 2/5 of BC, I can write 2/5 S over here, which means that this would be 3/5 S. How does that help us? So what are similar triangles? Triangles that have the same shape but different sizes. If I were to superimpose the pink triangle on top of the orange triangle, this is how it looks like. Both of them have the same shape but different sizes, which means to say that their lengths are proportionate to each other. If you notice, the height of the pink triangle is 2/5, the height of the orange triangle is 3/5. So what is the ratio? The ratio is 2:3. So I can say that the length here has a ratio of 2 is to 3. Okay? Why is that important? Because we know that the orange triangle has a base of S. Therefore, if the ratio is 2:3, then I can safely say that the length of GH is 2/3 of S. Now, if we take triangle ABG and we deduct the area of triangle ABE, what will we get? We will get 18. So let's write that down. Triangle AGE, which is 18, is equal to ABG minus ABE. So what is triangle ABG? Half times the base times the height. You can see that the base and the height of triangle ABG is S, minus half times the base times this height, 3/5S, and you'll get 18. So we have half S to the power of 2 minus 3/5 times half, 3/10 S to the power of 2. That will give us 18. So half minus 3/10 would be 5/10 minus 3/10. Okay, 1/5 S squared is 18. And how do we find triangle AGH? So if you look at the blue triangle, triangle AGH equals to half times the base times the height, which is half times, oh, what is half times 2/3? 1/3. 1/3 S squared. So we already know that 1/5 S squared is 18. So what is 1/3 S squared? Don't worry, let's just take 18, divide by 1/5, and multiply by 1/3. You will then be able to find 1/3 S squared. Whenever you see a divide in a fraction, please flip it upside down and change the divide to a times. So let's just simplify 18 divided by 3, 6, 6 times 5, and we found the area. There you go. Triangles are the most useful shape in geometry. If you want to know how to visualize them well so that you can solve your problem sums and get an AL1, be sure to follow this account. See you next time.